Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute because you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red, orange, and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first, I guess, not really update that needs to be done, but more so confirmation. But I am going to update it in the sense of I'm going to move this line more forward so that we can continue to watch it. But from that point of view, not an update, but confirmation that, yeah, this level is definitely an area of resistance. In fact, the first 30 minutes you can see on that movement upwards, and the price got rejected right at that level before the price just, totally fell back downwards. So from a resistance standpoint, that orange line remains that key level to watch. And then also from an updating perspective, this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the very near term, in fact, even before you worry about doing it in a battle with that trend line, the price first needs to now break back up above this 94-95 cent level, which if you did watch the video on Friday, talked about as support. But again, now that the price is below that level, according to the rule, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's actually exactly what happened right there. So I'm not saying that that level can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is now struggling at that area, and that if there is going to be any sort of bigger breakout to the upside, these are going to be the levels of resistance that need to be broken back above. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of where did the bleeding finally stop today, and that was right down there at 89 cents. So 89 cents for that reason alone is what would now be considered that near-term area of support. So yeah, not the greatest way to start off the week, but last 30 minutes showing some strength here with the green candle. We'll see if that's any sort of leading indicator of more strength to come or not. Before you go real quick, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident you will find this live online web class that I put together quite beneficial. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claycharter.com/live or just see the link in the description area below. It truly is live. There's a question and answers at the end. It's very interactive. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.